Hi, my name's Ryan and you are watching a video on the livi-tech channel. So Linux, Ubuntu, Xubuntu, Lubuntu and all the other Ubuntus out there are all designed for one specific group of people, and that is programmers and coders. But you might have a problem which I had. This problem I had like 2 to 3 years ago, where I had a 2011 laptop which came with Windows 7 starter. Not this on a laptop or anything. Windows 7 ran awesomely, but then I don't know, the operating system kind of like got deleted somehow. I don't know how. I reinstalled Windows 7 starter and the speeds were terrible, and I don't know why. I did all updates and everything and it still performed terribly. So one day I was just like, forget it. Searched up alternative operating systems on the internet and found Ubuntu. I decided to give it a try and I was so amazed at the speed that I decided to try it and run Minecraft. And the speed on Minecraft went from 12 FPS on Windows to 40 FPS in Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is now in my top 5 operating systems in the world so far. So yeah, today I'm going to show, well, not show you because we're going to be doing this together. I've never done this before or never attempted it, but I'm going to see if this tablet can actually boot Ubuntu successfully. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Ubuntu website, which I have already got open, and find desktop. There it is. Download Ubuntu. And 32 bits usually don't come with a file that we need, but the 64-bit does. So we are going to download the 64-bit. Nope. Take me to download. And while I wait for that download, you're also going to want to click on the second link in the description. The first link will take you to the Ubuntu page, and the second link will take you to this boot.ia file, which we need for the tablet to actually boot into what is known as Grub. Grub is like the loader for Ubuntu. So click on View Raw, and it should start downloading, and I will be back when it has finished downloading. So both files have finished downloading. Ubuntu 15.10, AMD 64, and boot.ia 32 EFI. So Ubuntu is of course the operating system, and the boot.ia 32 file is what is used for the tablet to successfully load Ubuntu. So what you want to do now is plug in your USB and go down to it, right click, format, choose FAT32 and give it a volume name. I'm just going to call it Ubuntu USB. Check quick format and click start. After format is complete, close out of it. And now what's good about this is that ISO files don't need any extra program except for Windows. If you're using Windows, I think it is Windows Vista and above, comes with its own preloaded way to open ISO files, which is right clicking, open with Windows Explorer. Simple as. Let me just quickly check this one. Let me quickly do it again. There we go. So what we want to do is we want to copy all these files to the USB. Copy Ubuntu USB, or whatever you name the USB, and paste. And wait for it to copy over. So after all the files are copied over, you're going to want to go inside this EFI folder, double click on boot, And see where I put this boot IA32 file. You want to locate where you put that file and just drag it, or right click copy, or Control plus C to copy, go to USB and then right click paste, or Control V to paste. And that is it for the Windows side of it. Now to actually do a physical booting of Ubuntu on the tablet and see if it actually works. So I may have forgotten to mention that you are going to need a spare keyboard, which I've already plugged in. This keyboard I've got is a Trust keyboard. It's not really that good, but it works. So here's the USB, here's the tablet, here's the spare keyboard. By the way, the keyboard can be wireless and wired, so it really doesn't matter. So what you want to do now is when the tablet is off, plug in your keyboard and then plug in your USB. If I can get it to go in. There we go. And now you're going to want to press the power button and the volume plus button and hold them both until you see the Linx logo. As soon as you see the Linx logo, let go. Then click on the second option, Boot Manager, and you should see your USB. Should say something like EFI USB device, and it should boot up. From here, just press enter on your keyboard. Okay, unfortunately it doesn't look like it's worked, but oh wait, there's some right then, never mind. Oh, well, what do you know, it's booting up. Oh, black screen again. Okay, let's give it a few seconds. Oh, a mouse has appeared. And what do you know? What have we got? We have got Ubuntu running on a tablet. This is Ubuntu. It's booted up. This is actually the first operating system to boot up successfully on this display. The other one that booted up successfully, but I had to use another display, was an operating system which I'll show you how to use on this tablet in one of my next videos. So let's see what works. Touchscreen works. Okay, that's the first. Well, okay. Okay, buttons don't work, but I expected that because it's a Linx driver. Wi-Fi doesn't work. Brightness doesn't work. Oh god. Oh, what about sound? Does sound work? I'll be amazed if sound works, because usually sound doesn't end up working. Nope, sound does not work. So basically, you can use anything that you want on this as long as it does not require Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, rotation, brightness. As long as it doesn't require anything like that, you can run it. So thank you Samahir Hamid for asking me to look into this, and I hope this answers your question, because you did ask me and say that as long as you can use the terminal, then it's okay. And yes, you can use the terminal. You can definitely use the terminal. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. If this video helped you in any way, then don't forget to smash the like button and then the subscribe button. And if you want, you can even leave a comment below. And a quick little notice is that the channel is already at 91 subscribers and growing. Let's see if we can make it to 100 subscribers at the end of this week. And if you want to see how to run Phoenix OS on the Linx 1010 tablet, we need at least a minimum of 10 likes on this video. And as always, I will see you in my next one.